Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are gradient collections and this is part 1 and part 2. You can easily download from the link in the description. Part 1 part 2, and this is password free template. You can easily download from here. The download button will appear, and this is part 1 and part 2, and these are winner files. You need to extract this, and here these are halftone, classic halftone, photo effect, and this is for Windows and this is for Mac OS system. And same like these are other creative weapons, JPG format, PNG format. You can check out these high quality PNG images, and there are others. Do auto tune ingredients, PSD format, do auto tune PSD format, and Durga abstract gradient, macOS system for and for Windows. Looks cool. Okay, so they are JPG gradient. Okay, in different formats, and same like others, there are hollow gradient backgrounds, hollow pastel gradients, and some more, and many more. And same like these are tropical gradient, resolution. You can check out these are JPG images, and same like others. Now let's come to the part 2. This is part 2, and I have compressed this collection and I have converted it into part 1 and part 2, so for you to it become very easy to download. And this is part 1 gradient, about guide something. These are textures, halftone, EPS format, and these are PNG format. Okay, the system is using quite dark mode, so it will not easily you can see it. So these are surface textures, because those are black points, dots, and these are surface textures. Again, JPG format, JPG images. Now come to back, and there are bubble gradients, variants, stories. You can use them as in the mobile background if you like, but I prefer a dark color image for backgrounds. And for macOS system and for gradient. Okay, so here are gradient glitter backgrounds, 10 backgrounds, JPG images again, literally high quality JPG images. You can like this, wait for it to be load. Yes, so there are other data, gurney gradient, her logo, iridescent gradient, iridescent for macOS system and Apple, and for Windows. Okay, again high quality images. So, and there are many more data like that, pastel gradient and pastel gradient insert. These are SVG format, JPG format. You can easily download from the link in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please do subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and take care.